welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquarius if you're new here, and today is a very special video. I have finally reached 2,000 subscribers. Yay! And because we've reached this milestone, I am going to celebrate by giving away a Micheal Kors bag today. Yes, I decided that I was going to do something grand, you know, like a grand gesture for you guys. And if you are new, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel so that you won't miss any of my videos or giveaways, right? Yes, I am giving away this really pretty peach and gold Micheal Kors bag. This bag is so cute, so sophisticated, darling. Very bourgeois, you know what I mean? But you can also wear it as a crossbody bag, so you can wear it either way. Like this, you know. And I chose this bag because it's so pretty. It's definitely summer friendly. You know, summer's coming up. The world is opening back up, honey. And you can go back out into the world and say, you know, I subscribe to Aquarius channel and the girl be giving stuff away, okay? I like the detailing. The detailing is so nice and intricate. Also, I like the MK. You know, I like it. Gold. Gold is just my thing right now, so I'm a little bit obsessed with it. That's why I immediately knew what I was going to be giving away. So, it doesn't have any dividers in the inside. It just comes with 2 pouches and the one zip pocket. But the surprise in the inside is, honey, I wanted you to have something to go in your purse. You know, not just give you the purse. You gotta have something to go in it. So I ran across these really, let's see what I want to grab first. What am I gonna grab first? What am I gonna grab first? So the first thing I wanted to grab is, do you see how it's got that peach color inside of here? That's just cute, right? Kurt with a K. Get with a K. Get with a K. Get with a K. Yes, I decided that all ladies need something to write with, you know, inside of their handbag. I also think that this keeps me organized, and I'm going to be getting to some more organization videos. So, honey, yes, go and subscribe so you won't miss nothing. But I do like that this is, if I wanted to jot something down really quick, anything that comes to mind, you know, especially you on the go moms, grocery list, whatever, can be stored and be cute. You know, my thing is, y'all, is I am a girl that loves to go to the grocery store, you know, or wherever, and people be like, oh, I like your bag, girl. I'll be like, oh, thank you. And then you get up there and you be like, ow, you know, it match. Oh, you like this too, girl. Thank you. You know, that is just how I am. I am a really crazy organizer when it comes to my handbags. And I always get the wallet to match. So the next thing that I decided you guys should have, and did I mention that it was Vera Bradley? Did I say that? I left that out. It's Vera Bradley, you know. So you stylish. Okay. Seriously? Hey, I'ma close the window if you keep barking. Why do you bark during my videos? Get on up here so everybody can see who you are. And we can tell them who. Come here. Who? Look. Tell them how bad you were. Huh? Why you barking? Why? Who did it? You so inappropriate with your love. Okay. Stop barking. Why you stressing? Calm down. Mama know people are outside. They gotta walk. They can't stay quarantined forever. I don't want no sugars today. Okay, I got a man. I'm a person that likes to match. So I definitely went ahead and picked this up as well. You can put it on your desk. You know, a lot of people are working from home still. And it's just, it coordinates. Coordination. The last extra item that's also a Vera Bradley item was the ink pen to match. Honey, when you pull out that little notepad and you pull out the pen to match, I don't know, maybe I'm old and that's just something that just excites me, honey, and just makes me feel like I got my life together. And ink pen can do that for you. No, it does it for me. So this very, very pretty ink pen is going to be in the bag when it arrives at your home. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited about giving this away because this means so much to me to have finally reached 2,000 subscribers. So now let's talk about how to enter the giveaway.